Good morning students. Last class we are discussed about carbonyl compounds. Like the carbonyl compounds, introduction, preparation of carbonyl compounds, physical properties and chemical properties. Today we are going to chemical properties of carbonyl compound, especially aldehyde and ketone. What are the conditions for aldehyde organization? First point number 1, presence of alpha hydrogen. First one, presence of alpha hydrogen. Second one, dilute NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Here, sodium hydroxide base acts as a catalyst. Let us consider 2 moles of acetaldehyde in the presence of OH minus, CH3, CH, OH, CH2, CHO, aldol. So, aldol bifunctional, that is 2 functional group, ALD, that is aldehyde group, OL, alcohol, that is aldol. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4. Third position hydroxy, 3 hydroxy. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon butanol. So 3 hydroxy butanol. The next go to mechanism. Step 1. There are 3 step process. First step 1. Take the 1 mole of acetaldehyde in the presence of OH minus, removal of alpha hydrogen. Removal of. So removal of alpha hydrogen to form carbanion. Carbanion. Step 1, that is nucleophile. Step 2, take another 1 mole of acetaldehyde. In this carbanion to attack carbonyl carbon. In this carbanion, that is nucleophile, to attack carbonyl carbon is polarized alkoxide, CH3, C minus, hydrogen, CH2, CHO. Step 2. Step 3, alkoxide ion. Step 3, alkoxide ion protonated water to produce aldol. Protonated water H plus to attack CH3, OH, CH2, CHO. This aldol. Oxidation of aldehydes and ketones. Oxidation of aldehyde. Aldehyde get oxidized acid. So powerful, strong oxidizing agent. First number 1 reagent K2Cr2O7 bar H plus, acidified potassium dichromate. Second one KMnO4 OH minus, alkaline potassium permanganate. Third one chromic oxide. Chromic oxide. 3 oxidizing agent kuda. Example, acetaldehyde get oxidized in the presence of K2Cr2O7 bar H plus, 2 carbon. So 2 carbon acid CH3COOH, acetic acid, without loss of carbon atom. Suppose 3 carbon propanoic acid, 4 carbon N butyric acid, etc. So oxidation of ketone is not easily oxidized due to powerful strong oxidizing agent like concentrator nitric acid, K2Cr2O7 bar H plus, KMNO4 bar OH minus. Example, acetone oxidized in the presence of K2Cr2O7 bar H plus. Acetone get oxidized in the presence of K2Cr2O7 bar H plus. The product CH3COOH 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon converted to 2 carbon with the loss of 1 carbon. Both are is a acid product like aldehyde and ketone. What are the difference between aldehyde and ketone? Without loss of carbon atom, 1, 2. 2 carbon, 2 carbon, aldehyde. With loss of 1 carbon, ketone. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon converted to 2 carbon. Suppose unsymmetrical ketone. Unsymmetrical ketone get oxidized. According to Papert rules, ketonic group, this is C double bond or ketonic group, the first preferentially smaller alkyl. So carbon bond cleavage 1, 2, 2 carbon, so 2 carbon acid, acetic acid plus 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon acid, propanolic acid, CH3, CH2, COOH, 2 carbon acid. Because of alkyl group, ketonic group, preferentially is a smaller alkyl. So 1, 2, 2 carbon acid, acetic acid, 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon acid, propanolic acid, that is oxidation. Based on 1 mark, oxidation of aldehyde and ketone, what are the major difference without loss of carbon, with loss of 1 carbon? The next go to reduction reaction. Already we are learned carbonyl compound get reduced depending upon reducing agent. First, number 1, sodium borohydrate. Second one, lithium aluminum hydrate reduction. First, aldehyde. Aldehyde get reduced primary alcohol. Second one, ketone get reduced secondary alcohol. Key point, aldehyde get reduced primary alcohol, ketone get reduced secondary alcohol. Example, so take the acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is reduced in the presence of sodium borohydrate. The product CH3 CH2OH, ethyl alcohol become a primary alcohol. Mechanism, CH3 C double bond OH, hydride ion. This hydride ion to attack carbonyl carbon to gives CH3 C, oxygen negative charge, polarized hydrogen. The next one, hydrogen, followed by H plus to attack. The product CH3 C, hydrogen OH. This is nothing but CH3 CH2OH. So primary alcohol. The next one, ketone. Take the acetone. acetone. Acetone get reduced. Acetone get reduced in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. The product CH3 CH OH CH3 isopropyl alcohol. So isopropyl alcohol is a secondary alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol is a secondary alcohol. Let's go to mechanism. Mechanism. Acetone hydride ion to attack carbonyl carbon get polarized CH3 oxygen negative charge CH3 H. Second one CH3 minus CH3 H in the presence of H plus to attack the product CH3 C OH CH3 H. This is nothing but CH3 CH OH CH3 CH3 CH OH CH3 isopropyl alcohol. So isopropyl alcohol is a secondary alcohol. So reduction reaction key point: aldehyde reduced primary alcohol, ketone reduced secondary alcohol. The next go to reduction to hydrocarbon. When carbonyl group is reduced, suitable reducing agent. When carbonyl group is reduced, suitable reducing agent to form methylidine group. Plus H2O. Carbonyl group is reduced, suitable reducing agent to form methylidine group. So reduction to hydrocarbon, two important reaction. First, number one. So Glemmonson reduction, the Glemmonson reagent Zn bar Hg bar HCl, that is zinc amalgam. Zinc amalgam plus HCl. Take acetaldehyde is reduced in the presence of Zn bar Hg bar HCl, 2 carbon. So 2 carbon alkane ethane plus H2O. First, number one. Second one, take the acetone. Acetone. Acetone get reduced in the presence of Zn bar Hg bar HCl, cleavage H2 H2, CH3 CH2 CH3, CH3 CH2, next CH3 plus H2O. 1 2 3, 3 carbon alkane propane. The reagent Glemmonson reagent zinc amalgam or Zn bar Hg bar HCl. One more. The next go to very famous one, Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction. First, number one, reagent Wolff-Kishner reagent hydrazine. Second one, C2H5ONa, sodium ethoxide. The role of sodium ethoxide become act as a catalyst. Catalyst. One more question. Next one, hydrazine reducing agent. Hydrazine reducing agent. Let us consider acetaldehyde. Take the acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde followed by reduction in the presence of hydrazine NH2 NH2. C2H5ONA. The product CH3 ethane plus N2 plus H2O. Mechanism: CH3 C double bond O H hydrazine H NH2 hydrazine. This is one of the addition reaction. The product CH3 C OH H NH2 acetaldehyde hydrazone, followed by, on heating, removal of water. So one of the hydrogen bond shifted towards nitrogen. So the product CH3CH double bond NH2, CH3CH double bond NH2, followed by H2, the next one oxygen, CH3 ethane, 2 nitrogen N2, 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, water. That is the product. So acetaldehyde get reduced in the presence of hydrazine to form hydrocarbon. In this types of reduction is known as Wolff-Kishner reduction for acetaldehyde. The next go to acetone. Acetone get reduced in the presence of hydrazine C2H5ONA, sodium ethoxide. The product propane plus N2 plus H2O. Go to mechanism. Acetone react with the hydrazine, addition product polarized CH3C OH CH3 NH2. On heating, removal of water, product CH3C CH3 double bond NH2, followed by H2O, CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2 CH3 propane N2 gases, 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, water H2O. So carbonyl compound like the aldehyde to hydrocarbon, ketone to hydrocarbon, there are 2 types of reduction. First one Clemmensen reduction, second one Wolff-Kishner, but different reducing agent. The next reduction to pinacol, reduction to pinacol. The reagent Mg bar Hg, magnesium amalgam followed by water, 1 mark, based on 1 mark. Symmetrical diol, take the acetone plus another moles of acetone, get reduced in the presence of Mg bar Hg followed by hydrolysis, water, for the product become 1, 2. CH3 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 OH OH just polarized. Oxygen minus one of the hydrogen, the next oxygen minus another one of the hydrogen, that is pinacol. Pinacol. So 1 2 3 4. Second position methyl group, third position methyl group. 2,3 dimethyl, 2,3 dimethyl, methyl group over. 1 2 3 4 but 2,3 diol. So second and third position attached methyl group, so dimethyl, methyl group over. The next 1 2 3 4 carbon but. The position of alcohol 2 and 3, second position 2 alcohol diol. So pinacol 2,3 dimethyl but 2,3 diol. The pinacol rearrange magnesium bar Hg. Okay. What are the condition for haloform? Number 1, C double bond O. Second, number 2, CH3 CH OH. Haloform condition. Take the acetone, reactive with the iodine. All alpha hydrogen replace CI3 CO CH3 plus 3Hi. Triiodoacetone. This is triiodoacetone. CI3 CO CH3. Triiodoacetone followed by NaOH, sodium hydroxide. One of the hydrogen accept CH3 iodoform plus CH3 COONA, CH3 COONA, sodium acetate. This is known as a haloform reaction. The next go to conversion. Conversion, first formaldehyde converted to CH3 CH2 OH, ethyl alcohol. Acetaldehyde converted to CH3 CH OH CH3, isopropyl alcohol. Acetone is converted to tertiary butyl alcohol. Very important conversion. To compare the first one, 1 carbon become changed to 2 carbon, primary alcohol. Next 1 plus 1, 2 carbon become changed to 3 carbon. Next 1 2 3, 3 carbon become changed to 1 2 3 4 carbon. With increasing 1 carbon, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. How will you converted aldehyde to alcohol? Next again aldehyde to alcohol, again aldehyde ketone to alcohol by using Grignard reagent. The next go to Grignard addition. Next go to Grignard addition. Take the formaldehyde. So react with methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl group to attack carbonyl, negative to gives the product hydrogen C CH3 O MgBr hydrogen followed by H2O bar H plus hydronium ion, the product HOH. So CH3 CH2 OH, CH3 CH2 OH plus MgOH and Br. This is ethyl alcohol, primary alcohol with increasing one carbon. Second one, take the acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde react with the same methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl group to attack, get polarized. CH3C, CH3, H, O, Mg, Br, followed by hydronium ion, cleavage, H, OH. So CH3, carbon, hydrogen, CH3, OH plus Mg, OH, Br. This is nothing but isopropyl alcohol for secondary alcohol. Next, acetone. Acetone followed by methyl magnesium bromide. The same one, attack. CH3, CO, Mg, Br, CH3, CH3 followed by H3O plus hydronium ion, same cleavage, H, OH, the product CH3, C, CH3, CH3, OH, Mg, OH, Br. To compare the first one, formaldehyde, one carbon become changed into two carbon primary alcohol. Next acetaldehyde, two carbon become changed to isopropyl alcohol, 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon. Next ketone, that is acetone, 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon become changed into 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon group. This is a primary alcohol, this is secondary alcohol, this is a tertiary alcohol. So primary, secondary, tertiary, it's a very important conversion based on the problem. The next go to test for aldehyde. First one, tolerance reagent. So ammonical silver nitrate is known as tolerance reagent. One more, ammonical silver nitrate solution is known as tolerance reagent. Silver mirroring its appearance. The aldehyde, acetaldehyde, tolerance reagent, in the presence of base to gives this is silver mirroring precipitate, silver get reduced. So test tube contains tolerance reagent, that is ammonical silver nitrate solution. By addition of unknown liquid, whether it is aldehyde or ketone, warming condition, unknown liquid. After a few minutes or after 1 hour, silver mirroring is appearance. Silver mirror, that is Ag plus silver mirror. Silver mirroring appearance, silver precipitate, there is appearance. So silver mirroring is appear, such unknown liquid become aldehyde. Such unknown liquid become a aldehyde. It's a very important one, tolerance reagent. So tolerance reagent solutions is nothing but ammonical silver nitrate. First number one. Second one, Fehling solution. Fehling solution. First to prepare the Fehling solution. First Fehling A. Fehling solution A. Fehling solution A, the equal contain aqueous copper sulfate. The next Fehling solution B contain sodium, potassium, tartrate, sodium, potassium, tartrate. So the equal amount of Fehling A and Fehling B. Added the aldehate, blue color become changed to red color, that is red precipitate is obtained. Deep blue color become changed to red precipitate is obtained. 1 mark. The equation become the Fehling. Take the acetaldehyde, in the presence of 5OH minus to gives that is a red precipitate. Red precipitate. This is a deep blue color. The same one, take the test tube. Test tube contain equal amount of Fehling A and Fehling B. Fehling A and Fehling B. In this color, that is blue color, addition of unknown liquid, blue color, deep blue color immediately can change to red color, that is red precipitate. Such unknown liquid is known as aldehate. So first one Tollens, second one Fehlings. Next go to Benedict solution. The mixture of copper sulfate plus sodium cerate plus NaOH, Benedict solution. Cu2 plus get reduced, that is Cu plus. Same one, deep blue color become changed to red precipitate. Acetaldehyde, Cu2 plus. In the presence of 5OH minus to gives CH3CO minus plus Cu2O plus 3H2O, a red precipitate. Cu2 plus get reduced cuprous oxide, that is red precipitate is applied. The same one, take test tube, addition of Benedict solution, aldehate or unknown liquid, deep blue become changed to red precipitate. Such unknown liquid become aldehate, so Benedict. Fourth one, Chips reagent. Chips reagents. This is only for aldehate, it's not a ketone. Only for aldehate. Only for aldehydes. Chips solution, addition of unknown liquid, that is unknown. Immediately pink color is appearance. So immediately pink color is appearance. So immediately pink color is appearance, such unknown liquid become aldehyde. Such unknown liquid become a aldehyde. On passing SO2 sulfur dioxide, pink color is a decolorized. On passing SO2 sulfur dioxide, pink color is decolorized. This is a Chips reagents. So Chips reagent solution, so only for aldehyde, it's not a ketone. One more. There are 4 tests for aldehyde. First, number 1, Tollens reagent. Second one, Fehling solution. Third one, Benedict solution. Fourth one, Chips reagents. Important. So we are conclude carbonyl compound learning, like the nomenclature, common name, IUPAC name. The next go to preparation of a carbonyl compound, like the aldehyde and ketone, how to prepare different reagents. Okay. The next go to Physical properties. So second part is the physical properties. Physical properties, there are four. First one, physical state. Second one, solubility. Third one, dipole moment. Fourth one, boiling point. There are four stages. The next go to chemical properties. So chemical properties, especially reaction become nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reactions naming. The next go to oxidation. Oxidation of aldehyde, oxidation of ketone. Oxidation of aldehyde acid. The next go to aldehyde become changed to acid. Next ketone become changed to acid. Chemical properties. Next go to reduction. Different reducing agent. Especially the reduction, Glamundsen reduction and Wolff-Kishner reduction. Glamundsen and Wolff-Kishner reduction. Next go to pinacol. Pinacol. The pinacol solution become magnesium amalgam, Mg bar Hg, important one. The next go to aldol condensation. It's a very important one, aldol. So aldol condensation, generally the condition for aldol condensation, presence of alpha hydrogen, first number one. Second one, dilute NaOH. Second number two. Alpha condensation for the categories, first number one, aldol condensation. Second number two, aldol condensation by using acetone. Third one, crossed aldol condensation. Three category of question may be asked, aldol. The next go to test for aldehyde. So test for aldehyde, there are four tests: Tollens, Felix, Bennetrick, last one kuda Chips test kuda. So we are finally conclude carbonyl compound preparation, physical properties, chemical properties.